Oh, dang. It's a 2.5 pounder. That didn't take long at all. Oh, dang. Camera, yeah. That looks good. I think, at least. Yep. Yes. Yeah, baby. $2.49. I'll be shocked if we don't get something off this thing. We just gotta pick it apart. Alright, one more flip. Alright, in that bush. Better flip than that. Yep. We didn't get bit off of this, they're not biting here. Get in here! How many flips did I make to that stick? I should not have swung him. Oh yeah. 2.5 pounder. Look at that guy. Oh, that's beautiful right there. Pit Boss Green Haze. Love this color. I knew that's right where he'd be. Like that, you can look at that and just tell that's the best spot on the laydown this time of year. They're gonna be shallow, and on that shallow right near the stump, on that brushy side. Good one? Yes? I didn't see it. Nice. Right. It's a 1.5 pounder. Solid fish. Big one. Net. Oh man. Get him in here. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh, he came off right as I was scooping him. Oh, that was gorgeous. That's another 2.5 pounder. Whatever the hell that is up there. Fish, get the net. Oh no, he's just in the brush. It's a 2 pounder though. Another 2 pounder. Yeah, too bad there's not enough on the lake. Another good fish. That's our smallest of the day, but he's still 2 pounds. I'm shocked how many that I'm actually catching them flipping with this weather. I mean, it's a fast flipping bait though. It's not like I'm flipping a beaver. Oh, I knew frog fishing was fun. I like this rain. I don't have to wet my line. Yeah, you better have a head mount before fall. I think I'm next. Yeah, baby. He ran into the bobber on the way. First frogfish. Oh, that's a beautiful fish right there. There's gotta be more off of that jetty. That was a big net. Oh my gosh. I don't know, but it's big. It's not jumping like a bass. That's a 3.5 pounder. This side already. He hit like a brick. Yeah, he did. Oh, I see him, I see him. Yeah! That's our base of the day. Yeah. Yeah, we will. .26, so about 3.5 pounder. Take that. I hear drag. I see fish. Oh! You got him? Oh, you don't know yourself, alright. Feisty. That's not a bad one. That's a 2 pounder. Nice. Guess I'll have to talk to Justin and find out what he wants to do. Like what happens with the weather, DC Riders or the Ozarks. Really? Got one. Hey guys, just got back to the dorm. I'm going to do a quick recap on how we got our fish today. Now, even though it rained pretty much the entire day, we had a really good day of fishing. Probably would have weighed in about 16 pounds for our 5 biggest. Okay, so there were 4 key baits for us today. First one was a green hollow body frog. Now, we were fishing this lure around the sparse lily pads. It's still early in the spring, so those lily pads haven't grown in fully yet, but the bass were definitely in there. I think we got 3 bites on this guy today. 2 of them were a little over 2 pounds, and one of them was about a 3 pounder, so real good lure today. Our next lure was a popper, and we were fishing this in the open water more around the dam area, and we probably got 20 bites on this today. A lot of them were smaller, but we got a couple of good ones. One of them ended up being a 3.5 pounder, which is our second biggest of the day, so this was probably our most productive bait of the day. Next bait was a Texas rig. Now, it was cloudy outside, so I wasn't expecting to have a flipping bite, but those bass definitely proved to be hanging on those laydowns. So I was fishing a pit boss, which has a lot of action in those appendages, and I was fishing a heavier weight. I was fishing a 3/8 ounce weight, just so I could work that bait quickly and cover more water and get reaction strikes out of those bass, which proved effective. And last bait of the day was a drop shot. Now, I fished this lure for about 15 minutes at the end of the day. Only got 1 bite on it, but it was a 4.5 pounder. And the thing to take away from that is I caught it on the dam, which we had worked back and forth with those poppers probably 4 or 5 times already. And so if you have a key spot like that, don't forget to go back through with a finesse rig and try and pick off another bass. Because a lot of times, since you've already wed through all those smaller bass, that one you get can be a better size one, which proved to be efficient today. Alright, that's pretty much the gist of how we got them today. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.